Hello, my name is Anna. Today I want to talk about my house and the things inside my house. I like my home because it is small but very warm. When you open the door, you see the living room. In the living room, there is a sofa. The sofa is soft and brown. On the sofa, I sometimes sit and read a book. In front of the sofa, there is a table. The table is made of wood. On the table, I keep some magazines and a cup of tea. There is also a television on the wall. I watch television in the evening with my family. Next to the living room is the kitchen. In the kitchen, there is a fridge. The fridge is big and white. Inside the fridge, I keep milk, eggs, and vegetables. There is also a stove. I use the stove to cook rice, soup, and meat. On the counter, there are plates, bowls, and cups. I use them every day when I eat with my family. The kitchen is bright because it has one window. Now, let me tell you about my bedroom. My bedroom is small but very nice. There is a bed in the room. The bed has a soft pillow and a warm blanket. Next to the bed is a lamp. I turn on the lamp when I read before sleeping. There is also a wardrobe in the corner. In the wardrobe, I keep my clothes, shirts, trousers, and dresses. On the desk, I have a notebook, a pen, and sometimes my laptop. The desk is where I write and study. The bathroom is next to my bedroom. In the bathroom, there is a sink, a mirror, and a shower. I wash my face in the sink every morning. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. I look in the mirror when I comb my hair. The shower is where I wash after a long day. The bathroom is small but very clean. Finally, at the back of the house, there is a small garden. In the garden, there is a table and 2 chairs. I sit there in the morning with a cup of coffee. There are also some flowers. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. I like to water the flowers every day. The garden makes me happy. I love my house because every room has something important for me. The sofa, the fridge, the bed, the lamp, the mirror, and the flowers are all part of my daily life. My house is not big, but it is my favorite place.